This is the last video. How do you quickly check what the students have done? Suppose that this is the file submitted by one of the students. Here in the first several columns up to this place, it's the data that I gave. Everything else, starting from here to the end, it's the student's work. Okay, so how do you quickly check that? The thing is that everything here is connected using formulas, and I just can check the links. Okay, there is an easy way to do that. Anywhere you can type the equality sign and then click this triangle in the left upper corner. To click this triangle, okay, then press enter. Excel complains that there is a circular reference. No problem about that. Just click OK. Okay. Then place back the cursor where you have that 0, and then go to the Formulas tab, and here you can see Trace Precedence. Okay, and you have to press this more than once, I believe. See, if I press once, I see one dependence, but if I press again, it takes some time. I see more dependencies here. Okay, and then if I go to the very end of the file, I see that those dependencies are everywhere. Okay, this feature works better if you use in appropriate places matrix functions. Okay, like in this column, let me remove the arrows. Remove arrows. Okay, in this column, the matrix multiplication is used, and this simplifies application of that feature to trace precedence. Another thing here is that to check that this is really a matrix multiplication is just to try to change one cell. Like if I want to delete the data from one cell, okay, it says you can't change part of an array, okay, which means that this whole thing, the whole column has been calculated using matrix multiplication. And also look at the plausibility of the results, like the portfolio shares are here, okay, the shares are here, and the shares are here, they should sum to 1, okay. Everything here is plausible, that expected return, sigma, the Sharpe ratio, everything has the value you would generally expect.